Butwami into engiyibonayo nje Butwami ibhola la KPSL seligcwele ama player average kakhulu. Ngithi ngiyathatha ngiyabuka la egamini namhlanje. I'm only looking at the Pirates side. Maybe you can come out with Oswina Police, maybe also who's this other player? Up Oswina Police, Tsepang Moremi, he's also a good player. But also on the other side, Mangpeo Chiefs, I've only seen Edin McCarthy who can play at national level. Yeah, maybe who can fit to Ibafana Bafana currently. And then it's because of, I think we are lacking local coaches which are building local players. Yeah, we had Upito Msimani, we had Pesitao, who grew Pesitao, Rulani Mukwena, who grew Tebogo Mukwena, Temba Zwane, and all the other local players. Mangitinga Peramanje, kuma local players, I'm only seeing 4 or 5 players who can play at the highest level during maybe the 2026 World Cup. I think we are slowly dying.
Thank you, Putam. Thank you.